So here we are with a dish from Shalimar. This is their chili chicken. I've already got a little bowl of rice here, so they serve it together, the chicken and rice on the side. I like to add the two together. That's how they serve it in a meal. Oh, there we go. Look at that deliciousness there. So this is mild. I did not go very hot with this, so I'm very interested to see what the taste is. Usually this can get pretty spicy, obviously called chili chicken. Oh gosh, I don't want to make a mess here. I do want some good scoops on this rice. I see some onion in there, some flakes of pepper. I see maybe some bell pepper in here too. The thing I love about chicken in these small pieces here is that they are so tender. That is totally what I'm expecting. Get a little bit more sauce on top. So a little tasting from Shalimar. This is their chili chicken. Dear Lord, thank you for this meal. Get a little of everything if I can. Oh wow. That is flavorful. It has a bit of a zestiness, almost like a fruitiness right on the front end, but it comes in with some spice, and that warmth that you get from a lot of Indian flavors. Let's see if I can get this piece of chicken here. I love it with the rice. It just adds a little bit more to the dish. And it is so tender, juicy. It's a really well-rounded dish all together with the onions and the chicken and the peppers, the chilies, if you will. This really hits the spot. It is mild. I did not get a lot of heat, but it's got some residual heat that I'm really enjoying. It's very warming. I can feel it kind of building on my tongue as well. It's quite nice. I'm going to have to give this 8.7 out of 10.